Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yusra Gilananta, and now I want to present about final test morphophonology. The first one, I have concept of syllable. I will explain to you guys about concept of syllable. Syllable is a basic unit of pronunciation. In a word, it consists of a vowel sound called the nucleus, which may be preceded or following by consonant sounds called the onset or encoder. And every syllable must contain a vowel. And all right, so we have an example of syllable. The first is table. Table is to have two syllables, pay and bill. And paper is also have two syllables, paper. And computer is have three syllables, computer. And education have four syllables, education. In English, syllables are based on sound, not spelling. Move the next one is a concept of masculine rims. A masculine rim is a type of rim in which the final stress, syllable or two of two or more word or lines rims is the most common type of rim in English poetry. Example of masculine rims is cat, hat, day, play, bright, night, belong, song, alone, stone. Example in poetry, the sun shines bright across the silent night. And I have a story, and I will break down the first is assimilation. I have three examples. Assimilation is a phonological process in which sounds become similar to a neighboring sound, often in a rapid or casual speech. Example first is gonna going to the text. I'm gonna check the project explanation. The phrase going to is pronoun as gonna because the authority is influenced by surrounding sounds and reduced in fast speech. This is regressive assimilation combined with reduction common in informal English. Example to wanna, to want to. Example wanna, want to want to. The text is wanna play, wanna play. Example, the T sound in a one, to is assimilated and weakened, resulting in wanna. The sounds blend together due to face and excited speech. And the example number three is kinda, kind of. Text, yes, I will kinda help you later. Explanation, the D in kind of assimilates with the following vowel sound, producing kinda. This occurs frequently in casual English, spoken English. And move to the next one is analysis case study metathesis. After example also, metathesis is reordering or swapping of sound within a word. Example one is X to X, X. Text he always pronounce X as X. Explanation, the sound S and K are reserved. This is a classic example of metathesis found in many English dialect. Example number three is spaghetti. Spaghetti. Text another child kept saying spaghetti instead of spaghetti. Explanation is the S sound shift position in the word, changing the normal sound order. This rearrangement of phonemes is metathesis. Example, grandma to grandma, grandma, grandma. Text excitedly say grandma, dropping the D sound. While this involves deletion, it reflects a restructuring of the consonant cluster NDM into a simple form. In child speech, it's often analyzed as metathesis combined with simplification. And move to the next one is epithesis. For example, epithesis, sometimes called epithesis, is a deletion or extra sound within a word, often to make pronunciation easier. The first is here film, and text different it as film. Expansion of vowel E or U inserted between I and M to break up a difficult consonant cluster. This is vowel epithesis influenced by dialect. Example 2 is animal, animal. Saying animal instead of animal. Explanation, the vowel U is added at the end of the word, altering the final syllable. This is a clear case of epithesis. Example number 3 is spaghetti, same with before. Explanation is addition to metathesis. The inserted G sound function epithesis, making the word easier for a child to pronounce. Example number 3 is gonna. Text, I'm gonna check the projector. The schwa E sound appears in place of more complex vowel sequence. This reflects vowel insertion during phonological reduction. And this is analysis case study. I will say the translate word from this phonetic word to the correct one. And the first is comfortable. The second one is probable. And number 3 is accommodate. Number 4 is massive. 5 is governor. 6 is teacher. 7 is athlete. 8 is appearance. 9 is gladiator. 10 is happening. 11 is generation. 12 is moderate. 13 is service. 14 is intensity. 15 is corporate. 16 is intricate. 17 is department. 18 is gratitude. 19 is equal. And 20 is spontaneous. The next one, I have also the story. And I will explain about you the bold one. What is it? First is stress prefixing suffix. There is 3 examples. Stress prefixing suffix. Suffix do not change the position of primary stress in the base word. The stress remains where it originally occurred. Example 1 is hopeful. Base word is hope. The derived word is hopeful. Explanation, the suffix "ful" does not affect the stress placement. The primary stress stays on the base word hope. Therefore, hopeful is stress specific. Example number 2 is careless. The explanation is the suffix less preserve the stress of the root word. The stress remains of the first syllable. Example. And number 3 is dark. The derived word is darkness. Explanation, the suffixness is stress neutral. The stress stays on dark, making it stress specific suffix. And next is stress attracting suffixes. This is also the example. Stress attracting suffix causes the primary stress to move to the syllable immediately before the suffix. Example number 1 is education. Base word is educate. Stress pattern is education. Explanation, the suffixation attracts the stress to syllable before it shifting to the stress position. And example number 2 is musician. Base word is music. Stress pattern is musician. Explanation, the suffix attract stress to the preceding syllable, changing the original stress pattern of music. Example number 3 is geology. Base word is geology. Stress pattern is geology. Explanation, the suffix logy pulls stress to the syllable before it, making this a stress attracting suffix. Last one is stress shifting suffix. Stress shifting suffixes cause the primary stress to move to a different syllable, often resulting in a completely new stress pattern compared to the base word. Example, democratic. The base word is democrat. The derived word is democratic. And explanation is suffix each. The stress from the first label to the syllable before the suffix. Example number 2 is economic. Base word is economy. Derived word economics. Explanation is adding each cause stress to move from the second syllable to the third, showing stress shift. And example number is photographic. Base word is photograph. Derived word is photographic. The explanation is The suffix it triggers a major stress shift, altering the pronunciation significantly. Example number 4 is education. Base word is educate, and derived word is education. The explanation is stress shift due the suffix ation, making this word both stress attracting and stress shifting. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.